tell you something. I don't worry myself about who my baby gives a thing to. You better hear what I say. I don't worry myself about who my baby gives a thing to.
Trailers that are towed off-road have to cope with some severe use and must be reliable if you venture into remote trails. A good maintenance program ensures your trailer will get out there and back every time, but keeping track of your trailer mileage can be difficult. I fitted a Hummingbird Electronics GPS Odometer to our previous trailer, and it was a great addition. It was a logical choice to install one to our new TVAN and to put it on from the beginning to log all of our kilometres. Hummingbird Electronics is a Red Arc company, so you know it'll be good gear. I was tempted to install the display in the TVAN's control centre, but thought the LED display would be too bright at night and we wouldn't want to adjust it up and down each day. The perfect location for a Mark V TVAN installation is the front right storage box, which has a constant 12-volt power supply, and it's a simple job to install the GPS antenna in top of the box. In our case, I was able to mount the display onto the compartment shelf. Next is a GPS antenna, which I mounted directly above the display. After drilling a 10mm hole, clean the surface, thread the antenna cable through the hole, and then mount the antenna with the supplied adhesive pad before securing it with the supplied nut. Once you've attached the antenna cable plug, secure the excess cable somewhere safe. The TVAN has an electrical circuit which is constantly on. It's used for the skyward lift release mechanism, a couple of power outlets, and the lights in the right-hand side storage lockers. To power the GPS unit, we're going to tap off the line or incoming side of the light switch for the same storage compartment as the GPS is mounted in. I then brought the cable through a grommet and routed it around the door seal before securing it with a few dabs of Sikaflex. Well, hopefully you can see that screen without too much glare. Our odometer is now connected. You can see we've got a full GPS signal there. So we go into mode. We're on odometer. You can have odometer plus a trip B or a trip A, but for now I'm just going to leave it on odometer only. Service. Currently we're at 0, saying the next service at 5,000. Track Trailer in this case have most of their service intervals at 10,000 kilometres, but I like to rotate tyres at 5,000, so I'm going to leave it there. And it's predicting that we'll get to 5,000 kilometres in March 22. Buzzer, it's disabled. I don't really want that going off randomly. I can come around and check this whenever I need to see what my kilometres are up to. Brightness, we can adjust that. If I had it in the cabin part of the TVAN, I'd turn that right down so it didn't illuminate too much at night, but for now I'll leave it where it is. That's just information on the BIOS firmware version and admin. Is all zeros. Alrighty. So we're at our starting point, 0 kilometres. I'll keep you up to date as we use the trailer and give you some feedback on how the odometer has worked.
It just ain't no use in worrying.